today's class is related to the English grammar topic tense. We can say tense is the backbone of English grammar. Tense is always used in our daily life and in spoken English, also in writing English. So tense, first of all we discuss about what is tense. Tense is one of the Greek word, a Latin word. Comes from the word tempus. Tempus means time. We can say tense is also called as time. So tense is basically divided into three parts. One is present tense, second is past tense, third is future tense. But future tense is called time because the tense is changes time. Because the tense is changes. So it is called future time. So first of all we discuss about present tense. Present tense divided into four parts. That is present simple, present progressive, present perfect progressive. First we discuss present simple. First of all, present simple. Present simple is the first categories of present tense. So present simple we can recognize easily about present simple. So some rule we discuss now. Habitual action. Habitual action means daily wise action. So it means I go to school every day. It is the daily basis action. So it is related to the present simple tense and it is also called habitual action and it categorizes the present simple tense. Then laws of nature. Laws of nature means natural law like sound rises in the earth. It is called the laws of nature. General or scientific truth. General or scientific truth, it relates the science topics like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, water melts at 0 degrees Celsius. These are called scientific truth or general truth. Then last one is present state or permanent fact. I feel hungry. It means we have to eat daily basis. So it is, that is I feel hungry. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. It will be the permanent. So it is called permanent state or permanent fact. In these four cases, present simple is always used. Then we write how we write the present simple tense. Now discuss. Present simple tense. Present simple tense. First of all, we have to say subject, then verb, then object. It is the formula of present simple tense like S plus P plus O. S means subject, V means verb, O means object. So, or some cases here like present simple is also used. Like present simple also can use to describe future plan and events, to tell jokes, stories and relate sporting events in real time. Now we discuss where present tense is not used. Present simple tense is mainly not used. Like this tense is not used to talk about ongoing action occurring in the present time. It tends not be used for the present time. So second one is present progressive tense. Present progressive tense. First of all we discuss what is the present progressive tense. Present progressive tense, it means in the tense we can easily recognize by in the verb always ing is added, like going, running, raining, etc. Like this verb always we use in the present progressive tense. This tense is used for the continuous action, for something happening now. This is the continuous action. This tense is used for continuous action, like for something happening now, means it is raining. So it is raining also now and continuing also. So it is happening now. It is the example of present progressive tense. Then second is for something happen over time period. For something over time period till now continue. In these cases also present progressive tense is used. Like my brother is searching for a job till some days. So present progressive tense is used. Then for temporary action, he usually goes to school in his bicycle. But today, for any reason, he go to school by the foot. So it is called a temporary action. Because the temporary action means it will not continue always or daily. So it is the temporary action. He always going to school by the bicycle, but today for any reason he go by the foot. So it is called a temporary action. So it is all about present simple tense, present progressive tense. Then we will discuss about present perfect and present perfect progressive tense in the next class. Please, if you like my video, please share and subscribe. And if any doubt which related to class, so please comment me. Thank you.